Joy became a teacher for all the right reasons. She loves kids and wants to see them succeed. She wants to make a difference. She's highly trained and very good at what she does, but Joy is frustrated. The time she spends documenting for compliance can't be used for planning or tutoring. She has no real way to track students' achievement for her ELLs, and often the extra time she spends on paperwork is not compensated at all. Her district still uses Excel spreadsheets, handwritten notes, and colored folders. The program she uses for documenting her ELL students was originally written for special ed, and Joy still does most of her work on paper. The paperwork is slowing her down. What if, she wonders, what if I could save even 15 minutes per student? Since I go to meetings 5 times a year, that could really count for something. And with 5,000 ELL students in our district, that could save a substantial amount of time for a lot of teachers. There's got to be a better way. Fortunately, the ELL director in Joy's district has heard of Project ELL. Project ELL is efficient, customizable, and accessible, with a platform that includes unlimited users at no additional cost. Project ELL handles roster management, manages compliance forms, and documents student achievement in a clear and concise manner. Users like Joy save time because they can avoid logging into multiple databases, schedules, grades, meeting notes, attendance, discipline, local and state assessments, forms, letters, plans, reports, alerts, and surveys are all available in one place at one time. It's easy to identify long-term ELL students, monitor reclassified students, and track student achievement. Teachers can simply click to continue current interventions, accommodations, and strategies, or they can make changes based on actionable data and teacher feedback. No more handwritten notes spread out in various locations. Project ELL's customizable core platform is on Microsoft's Azure Cloud and easily modified to accommodate the forms and letters each individual district uses. And it was especially designed for ELL populations. Project ELL is compatible with an iPad or phone browser, built on Microsoft technology and funded by the founders of Study Island. Let's get back to Joy. She's happy again. She can save time and increase compliance while tracking students' progress. What that means is she has more time to spend doing what she was trained to do: help students achieve. Her what if question has become a why not compliance and student achievement tracking solution. She now spends more time focusing on student achievement because she's more efficient at documentation. Joy and all her other colleagues can now click, print, and sign. It's just that simple. At Project ELL compliance and student achievement tracking is all we do. Save time and increase compliance with this simple, easy-to-use interface. Sign up for a free demo today at projectell.com or call 972-424-6298.